Hey, lovely people, let's make some milky shinshin here. So, bring out your mixing bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's the quantity we'll be making on this video. So, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt. Go ahead and grate some nutmeg in a separate bowl. After grating it, go ahead and mix it. Add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Go ahead and mix everything to combine together to make your dough. Okay, have you liked this video yet? Go ahead and like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And thank you to all my returning subscribers that always come back to watch my video. You all know I love you all. And my new viewers today, thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. So after mixing your dough, go ahead and clean up your working surface and then put down your dough. Before you do that, make sure you sprinkle some flowers on the surface and sprinkle on top of it. Knead it flat and go ahead and cut it to your desirable sizes. You might not like my cuttings, you might not like my sizes. Go ahead and cut it to the sizes you would love to. Okay, keep watching, guys.
Come, let's cook, come, let's cook, come, let's cook. Here in Nell's Kitchen TV, we teach how to cook all African delicacies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you liked, have you shared, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications button. We got you, I love you all. Come, let's cook, come, let's cook, come, let's cook. Here in Nell's Kitchen TV, we teach how to cook all African delicacies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you liked, have you shared, go ahead and subscribe.
So guys, after cutting it, go ahead and put it in your tray, then put it in your fridge for like 1 hour 30 minutes before you start frying it. Why we do that is because we want it to be crunchy after frying it. So if you want your shinshin to be crunchy, very crunchy after frying it, go ahead and put it in the fridge after cutting it. So put in your oil. So for you to know if the oil is hot already, go ahead and put one of the chin chin to know if it's bubbling this way, you know it's hot already. Then go ahead and start frying your chin chin until it's golden brown. Okay, you keep turning it, gradual process. Don't turn it too much. If you do too much, it's gonna scatter in the oil. So go ahead and keep turning it until it's golden brown, guys. You know that your shinshin is ready. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so yummy. It's so crunchy, guys. Follow this recipe. You're not gonna regret it. You will get it right. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching up until this moment. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share it as well. Okay. As you all know, I love you all. I love you. I love you all so much. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And my new viewers, I love you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.